What looks divided at first glance is one movement showing two different angles of the same force, meeting in a wider view. The edges seem far apart, yet they share a common ground. Each extreme reflects the other when the center point is found. Nothing here is truly separate. Nothing stands alone in form. Each side belongs to something greater, held within the same continuum. I see contrast as relation, not a conflict, not a break. Each expression shows another of the same unfolding shape. Where one ends, another begins, still part of what already is. Two directions, one foundation, joined within a single axis. When I stop resisting difference, understanding comes alive. Unity reveals its presence as perception learns to widen. I hold both ends with awareness, letting meaning integrate. What appeared as opposition shows itself as balanced state. I rest inside the whole of things, where nothing needs to fight. All extremes resolve in harmony within the same shared